Hello Dhanesh.
Hello.
So what are you making today?
Today I am making garlic bread,
Okay, garlic bread is going on. तो इसमें क्या क्या डाला है बेटा आपने?
butter, first butter, then cheese, boiled corn, coriander, and I am chopping
Garlic.
garlic.
Right. And then after garlic, chopped garlic के बाद आप क्या डालेंगे?
I will mix it and put in this bread
And which
and chili flakes and coriander.
oregano. Okay. Garlic chopping is going on.
Now I am putting some oregano and some chili flakes. Then I will mix it. Now it is a very nice mixture. Spread in the bread. Healthy bread. Wheat bread.
Follow.
Now I am spreading it on bread.
Evenly.
Now I
Cheese.
am putting cheese in our bread. I am putting on another bread, and my tawa is ready. Then I will put lid on the tawa.
How's the taste?
So nice.
It looks delicious and taste is also nice. Yummy.
Bye.